I'm like,
there we go. There we go. That's it. That's a nice one. That's actually a nice one. That's a nice fish. There we go, baby. Oh, that's a nice one. Don't come off. Please don't come off. What is going on, guys? This is Josh Woods here with Woods Rods and Rifles. Today, we're doing a little bass fishing. We just made the drive up here to Clyo, Georgia, up here at the Tuskegee Landing. So we got a buddy coming with his boat. We're actually doing a different boat today than the normal John boat. We're going to be putting in here on the Savannah River and doing some fishing. We're going to do a pretty long trip today. Try to see if we can't get some fishing in, catch some fish before the storms roll in. There's supposed to be a couple thunderstorms rolling in between 4 to 6 p.m. So we're going to fish from now, which is just before 7, all the way until we see them storm clouds rolling in and we think, oh yeah, we need to head back to the boat ramp. But we'll get some footage, try to piece it together for you. Today, hopefully, the audio is going to be a lot better. We got some new Rode mics, better sound quality than some of the other videos that I've been doing before. So I'm going to get some fishing rods together and get ready for him. He should be pulling in almost any minute now. Alright guys, so we got a couple different rod and reel setups today. Kind of give you a brief little run through. Alright, so the tackle loadout for the day. We got a little bit of everything. Probably one of my favorite soft plastic worms, a tequila shad culprit worm. This, on a Texas rig setup, is like a 1/16 ounce weight. Killer. Caught so many pond fish on that setup right there. River fish, completely different. We'll see. That's like my favorite worm, probably of all time. I have 2 packs right here in the top. That's just my go-to. Got some Guggen baits, Rage Tail. Shout out Strike King. The way y'all made this with the coffee scent, fantastic. I really like them. I know Guggen, whenever they came out with their stuff, the Bandito Bug, it's a similar body style to the Rage Tail, but it's like a licorice smell. This one has a coffee smell. I really like the Rage Tail. Got a scale in case we catch any big mamas on the river. Pliers, all kinds of stuff. Then here at the bottom of my tackle box load up, got of course all of our hard baits. This one here has got jerk baits, jigs, spinner baits. This is your hardware tackle, so your weights, hooks. Got a top water box. And last but not least, we have your crankbait rattle trap. Got some glide baits in there. Don't think we'll be throwing that today, but we're gonna see if the fish are fired up, see what they're eating on, if they're gonna be moving around quick, if they're gonna be slow on the Texas rig. I know Alex, he said that he has had really good luck on a Ned rig doing some finesse style fishing. So he's pulling in now. We'll get the thing going and see what it's all about.
eventually want to put a deck on this boat.
Yeah.
Sitting down feels so weird, but it's the only way I can drive the trolling motor.
Yeah, I never had the deck on the John boat before. It was a little too high. And even like if you go to use the trolling motor, it would, if you turned it one way real quick, it would about tip you out. So I like it without the deck now, honestly. But
my grandfather's got like an old charter boat, but literally the deck sits like level with the water almost, maybe like 2 or 3 inches above it. That's like the best captain platform, dude.
jumping out there on the main river, which it could be Gar too. Yeah, I'm just doing a little popper right now. Kind of walking it a little bit, giving some pop action. I'm not trying to catch you. Because that is a $12 bait that I'm not trying to lose to your mouth. I said that's a $12 bait that I'm not trying to lose to his mouth. Because them little ones, they'd reach around and grab you real quick. Ooh wee, son. I caught that on video too.
Started to get a little aggravated.
Well, here's the proper introduction. Alex, welcome to YouTube. I already shot my intro before you got there, but caught that on video. That's definitely going in.
Not fun for me today, son.
That's way up in there too, son. That's like way up in there.
Well, we're gonna try something.
Oh,
Got him.
this man's a pro, guys. It looks like you're a pro with it. That was a Hail Mary shot that worked out. But how does that do for your rod tips?
Honestly, it's not that bad. You would think it would just like snap and clean up, and it really don't.
That's what I was thinking. That's a heck of a way to introduce yourself for the video. Let's see if we can get on some bass. Sometimes it's so hard to distinguish whether it's a thump on a log or it's a fish. I don't want to set the hook into a log.
It's the second thump that always gets it to me.
Yeah. Well, you want me to switch to moving bait?
I was just saying.
I got a rattle trap I could buzz around.
That would be an idea.
Well, let's make the change.
Jigging?
No. If you think, like, being that it's cooler right now, they might be moving around first thing this morning. I mean, we're seeing some fish splashing up, so. You're throwing spinnerbait, I'll throw a rattle trap. See if we make out any better. This was one of my first carbon lights. This thing has seen better days. It's like tan. It's not white anymore. But I probably have 6 6 or 7 carbon lights. I love these rods, man. And then the platinum reels. Boy, I bet if you came up in here with a little brim pole, bet you'd tear him up.
I did throw on a little small bit of trim for that, just in case things got rough.
Always catch a brim. It's like a brim color. Got a little blue gold action. I got some other ones. You normally fish like a silver one?
Yeah. Anytime I have fished them, I'm not usually fishing in a lake. It's really just a pond, but if it's super bright outside, dude.
Uh-oh. There you go, big dog. Let me reel this in. Alright, so we got one on the old Fluke Master here. All reliable.
Damn, he wasn't getting off that one.
Got a good hook set on that one. Right in the corner of the mouth. There you go, Bo.
I gotta take picture proof. Just like you catch fish. I don't believe you.
Always gotta show the wives.
See a picture.
Always gotta show the wives. Maybe?
Yeah. Maybe a tad bit less than. I love that.
Golly, he was like, he was waiting for it, and then he just like took off. Awesome.
Part two, that was like, nah, I'm good.
A carp.
Mold it all up.
Yeah, when I was driving up, oh, we were both in a back cast at the same time. We're good. That was funny. You go ahead. You go ahead. The timing of it was about as best you get. But when I was coming up, it took me 21 to Old Augusta Road. And no way. There we go. I'm just hanging up right now, man.
Time again.
Go for it. Let's see if you can go 2 for 2.
These are my river rods, dude. I dogged the heck out of them. I would never do this with my other setup, so.
It worked though, somehow.
Oh, this is aggravating.
You need me to hold it? It is what it is, my boy. It's crazy how high the riverbanks are here.
Oh,
Like
dude,
on the Ogeechee, it's like flat.
If we get down some, you'll.
It's like cliffs.
Thought about, I heard Kevin out one time. He was talking about maybe try to like go where some of the tall walls are.
Mm-hmm.
So you can try to drop a jig down on a shelf or something.
Mm-hmm. I'm always down for a boat camping trip. One of my favorite guys that I watch on YouTube, High Adventure Videos. Yeah. He's got like 2 or 3 kids. He lives just outside of Beaufort, South Carolina. So right where like Cody and Craig and them live. Yeah. And he travels all over the place. And he's got a 19-foot Express center console. He goes saltwater, freshwater. He does all kind of camping trips. I mean, I'm like, that's the life. But his YouTube following is huge. And that's just one of the guys. He makes really good content and very wholesome. but it's just so dang hot. It's like, well, I don't even want to go out in the tent.
Don't blame you, my guy.
Well, I mean, here, there's only a small window for like decent temperature unless you're going to be cold, because it goes from like summer to winter. And that cold here is like frigid. And then that same time frame, you have football season, you have deer season.
Yeah.
It's like, I want to focus on that, not be out on the river.
Oh, there's some logs up in here, dude. I just beat the shit out of something on this spinnerbait.
Look at the action of that fluke right there, man. A little flapping tail.
Yeah, dude, that's freaking mythical.
If you want to rip one, you can.
Honestly, dude, I feel like that'd make a pretty bad trailer for a spinnerbait or something, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Or even just like swim bait.
Did you catch anything?
I was at a gas station with Daddy in Dublin, and we saw Bill Dance in there. And Daddy was like, "Bill Dance." He said, "Hey, how you doing?" He said, "My son is the biggest fan." He was like, "Oh yeah, let him ride with me for the day." And then in the dream, we only fished for like 15 minutes. It was like the greatest 15 minutes of my life.
Heard that. Ooh. I'll sit down for a second.
I swear I didn't see that long.
That about got me.
I went from being on 2 to freaking 5. Probably not the wisest decision.
That sun's warming up, son. Of course. Make a long cast, and I'm stuck on the other side of that, and that's way too far to throw the rod.
You stuck?
Yeah.
Mind if I shoot in the pole real quick?
Go for it.
Oh my goodness.
That was a knock.
Hey, that might have been a good place to put it though. Knock, knock, who's there?
Yeah. Hey, bass. Wham. See, the Geechee isn't as cloudy as this, but it's more like tea stained. Especially like upriver where I like to put in at.
Tea stained?
Yeah, it's more like tea stained. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
There's some parts it's like actually really clear.
Oh, I'm missing the trailer.
I'll have to get you down there and we'll fish.
What's up?
I said I'll have to get you down there and we'll fish.
Yeah, I would love to hit the decent man that. I bet that's freaking Jig Nation down there.
Oh yeah. Some of the areas are kind of tight, like half the size wide as this that you can get up in.
Right.
And it's all just a bunch of flooded trees. All right, guys. So we're gonna swing on down to another spot. Got the old Yamaha on the back. Bring it up. All right, Alex. Show us the lay of the land.
On the best.
Some willow trees out here on the river.
What's up?
So willow trees out here on the river.
Yeah.
up here. You get that depth chart scanner, like that, the real big fancy one, and be able to really see all the contours of the bottom. There's a boat ramp here.
Yeah, I know you're supposed to cruise in here, but nobody's over here, so don't worry about it.
There's a little gator over there on top of the water.
Dude, you want to talk about some crackheads, man? That's where the crackheads go right there.
On Saturdays or whatever?
Dude, I'm not even playing. Every time me and Chance come back here fishing,
They get down.
dude, like, you got people like, yeah, I shot that MF or blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, oh my God, what the hell?
What do y'all do? Now, Morgan's Bridge is that way. Like if you're going towards Pembroke on 204,
Yeah.
there's one. There's a bunch of crazy hoodlums there too. I tell you what.
Man, I'm telling you, some of these people be on some goon stuff.
No cold spoons within 50 miles of this place. All right, guys. So Alex is hooked into something here. Trying to reel one in. You got a net?
I got it. Oh, look at it.
You thought that was a monster, dude.
Fighting so hard.
Them river fish, man, they're different.
That could have turned out to be a dink.
I mean, that's not too bad.
He definitely took me under a log, I'll say that.
So it's right there next to the tree.
Bloop.
On your spinnerbaits, how'd you like to retrieve them? Steady retrieve?
Depends if it's super hot. Incredibly slow. Very light pause every now and again. If it's something like springtime and it's like feeling really good outside, oh dude, I'm running, stopping, running, burning, dropping, stopping. I'm doing all kind of crazy crap.
Mm-hmm.
No way.
No way.
No, that's, what is that, a log? No.
Stick. He had that rod bent over, son.
It's too good to be.
I lost my bearing. I looked straight up to see that plane. No way. This joker here. That's why I come fishing with you, man. Teach me how it's done.
Oh man, I'm waiting for you to whip out the trick boot.
See, that's the best one today. That's a good fish. Heck yeah.
Oh man, he dragged my spinnerbait all up.
What do you mean?
Ow, damn, he's actually got some little teeth on him.
Let me see that joker. Heck yeah. That's a nice fish. No, I don't think I hit a stick. Something is bulled up right there.
Dude, every time you do that, I hear it, like, every time I hear a splash, you're like, oh, I'm like,
There we go. There we go. That's it. That's a nice one. That's actually a nice one. That's a nice fish. All right, I'm boat flipping them. Do you have a net?
I don't have a net.
All right, in the boat. Dude, that's a nice one. All right, dude, calm down, calm down. Heck yeah. Hopefully my sunglasses weren't in the way of that whole video. Heck yeah. It bent my spinnerbait out. I had to straighten it up. All right, guys. First best for me, but he's got 3 up on me right now. This is a nice one on the spinnerbait. Fish this little back corner, but we'll put him back, try to see if we can't get anything bigger. Just out of curiosity. Come on now. 1 pound, 14 ounces. Not bad. Just shy of 2. That's 4. 'Cause you got 3 and I got 1 now. That joker bent that spinnerbait. There we go. Dang. I don't know if they're gar, if they're panfish, because some of them, if you hear that slap, that's just that little panfish like flipping over.
A crap ton of gar out here, like in this pocket back here.
All right, guys. So we stopped, grab a little snack on the sandbar, cool off, find some shade for a minute. We got 4 fish in the boat so far. 3 on spinnerbait, 1 on the fluke. Alex is wearing me out, 3-1. But I do have the bigger fish of the day, surprisingly.
We'll see.
But yeah, man, this is his boat setup. It's got a 30 Yamaha on there, nice trolling motor. Perfect river boat with the side console steering. Really pretty day. There's not too many boats. We've only seen 1 other boat on the river, actually like in passing. Being that it's a Sunday, I bet everybody's at home chilling. It was a really pretty day. Right about 10 o'clock on the dot, actually. So we're gonna grab us a little snack, get some shade, cool down, and go back, hit another little slough, and throw some jigs, see if they're starting to get deeper in cover now that it's starting to warm up. But yeah, let's see if we can't keep catching them. Fish out here for a little while. Yeah. Alright guys, so we got the camera equipment on charge actually, but number 2, caught it on a little curly tail worm. Oh, and he just swung and missed.
Oh, my line popped.
Dang it, boy. Yeah, I'll crop this in the video on the iPhone, but this one right here. Alright guys, so we're at a new spot. We came down river a little ways, fishing a spinnerbait, trying to see if we can't catch any more. I know I clipped some videos in on the iPhone. I had to let the camera charge for a little while, but new spot. We're gonna see what it's like. It looks pretty good. There we go, baby. Oh, that's a nice one. Don't come off. Please don't come off. I gotta get on the other side of that branch. Get him over. I got him over the branch. That's a nice one.
What is that? Is that a snakehead?
No.
Oh, bitch. That's a snakehead.
Oh, dang. You're good. I thought it was a nice bass. That's even better.
That's what I hate about this fucking thing.
Spinnerbaits are working right now.
Yeah, but they're attracting the one thing we don't want.
There we go.
You got one?
Oh, yeah. Oh, it came off. Dang it. I didn't really get that good of a hook set on it because it was just like there.
They're killing the spinnerbaits.
Look at the trailer. I don't think it was a snakehead though, because it didn't bite off the tail. It's right here on this little grass, near this tree. That's why I didn't get I was leaning back in the seat whenever that fish bit. Show me how it's done, Roscoe.
That's why I like this boat, because if I had anything bigger, I wouldn't have been able to get in here. That's
Yep.
why I'm having a hard debate on getting rid of it. But I like the big boat, but it comes at a huge sacrifice.
Gas money.
Oh no, that was a fish.
Dang it, boy. It popped you off clean too.
Dude, these fishes sucked it in too. Alright, I gotta do something different. You redeemed yourself. You went back in the hunting hole.
Ooh.
Was that him?
Dude, that's your fluke sitting right there.
See?
No, he's still on there because the branch is shaking. Dude, the branch is shaking. You see it? Dude, grab that branch. I gotta make sure I'm rolling.
Where's it tied up?
Yeah, I'm rolled. I'm rolling.
Tied up.
Just grab the branch and follow it down.
Oh, I don't know about that. That felt like a big fish too.
He was like, I don't know, probably like a pound.
Mm.
Whenever I saw him just jump out of the water.
Oh, something's on there, and that's big. Alright, let's think about this. I don't know how I feel about sticking my digits in there.
The boat paddle.
See if you.
You're right there.
Alright, I got a fishing line.
I got a boat paddle.
Got him!
Dude. He's back here.
Damn, what you do for a fish, man? I told you something was on there, bro.
Dude, he jumped out of the water and I was like, oh, he's caught up.
Alright, he's kind of down there now. I kind of hooked him in the back of the gizzard.
Alright.
You got your blue handle pliers?
There should be in the top of that thing. Yeah, you're gonna need some pliers to get that one out. Well, guys.
Gotta do what you gotta do. It made it in the boat.
It did get in the boat. Hung up, set the hook, snapped the line, caught on the tree branch. We saw the fish jump and saw the fluke that he spit out. So then, of course, we had to go hunt him down. I got a little surgical maneuver here. There's your hook thing.
Save.
What a win. I count that as a win in my book. Still caught the fish. It's just crazy that he popped the line and then got snagged up on the branch right there. And then he did a backflip. Oh, the sniff. The lickety sniffety. Well, use that hook, because that's your lucky hook now.
Yep.
Hook, because that's your lucky hook now.
Yep. I'm gonna wait till we got this.
Oh, there we go, baby. We got one. I don't know what it is, if it's a snakehead or it's a bass, but whatever it is, it's fighting hard. Oh no, that's a big one too. Are you sure, bud? Oh, it just got caught in the trolling motor. No way. Yeah, it popped off as soon as it came across the front of the boat. Yeah. Because he swam across the front, I thought you had it disengaged. Dang it. Well, that was a snakehead. That was a big one though. You see the size of that thing?
Yeah, that was pretty big.
Wow. If you catch something up in there, you're going to be winching that sucker out.
That's where they be. Apparently not.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie.
I don't trust myself casting up in there. I'll be done hooking on something other.
No, this is a hell of a pocket.
Yeah, for real. Holy shoot, son. Got it up in there. My boy.
Pop, pop, pop.
Skip it underneath that branch. Oh. I'll give you a redo. Skip it up there. Look at that little gator on the bank over there. Skip that joker right towards him. Well, guys. Oh, he's coming in after it. I'm gonna call it a day. It's hot. Clouds are starting to roll in. Caught 10 fish. We should have a pretty good bit on film. Some of them were caught off camera. But we had a dang good day. And we got to get through this little tight spot up here. It's really, really shallow. Hold on, let me flip this around. This little gator right here. What you want, little guy? But we're gonna ride back and get them back to the house. You know? We will catch you next time on Woods, Rods, and Rifles.